mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang. Oh, we hangin', we bang, oh, we bangin'. What's up, Yummy Biters? Welcome back to another episode of Yummy Bites TV. Y'all, today we have Louisiana fried chicken. That's what this place is called. I've been talking about this for the longest, y'all. Ever since we lived in Bryan, I came down here and I saw it. I wanted to do it. Now that I'm able to do it, here we go, y'all. So we got some fried okra. Yes, y'all, that's what that look like. We got some spicy fried chicken right there. We got an 8-piece.
I heard it was better than Popeyes, somebody said.
That's what he heard.
We gonna see.
And we got some rolls. Jaden got some fries. And I wanted some dirty rice, but they didn't have, it wasn't ready, so they gave me some jambalaya. I don't know what this jambalaya gonna taste like. And we got some what?
Red beans and rice, of course.
Yes. Yeah. All right. And yeah, y'all, I got my fruit punch today. Yes, y'all. All right. Let's pray. Lord, please bless this food, Lord God, in Jesus' name, amen.
Yes, Lord.
And y'all, I got my sweet red chili sauce for my chicken. I'm going to use that today. Oh, my gosh. Okra. I love okra, y'all. Who loves okra? What y'all eating with us? All right, come on, come on. That's a good flavor, is it not? Wow. Wow. Y'all, they threw down on the seasoning. Y'all, if I look tired, it's because I friggin' am. I've been gone all friggin' day. Like, oh my God.
Let's see.
Damn, I got my jalapeno. Hot sauce.
I love rolls like this.
I know, me too. That's them church rolls. These ain't even the Thanksgiving rolls. These is the church's rolls from back in the day. Remember that? Churches used to have these. Oh, snap.
Yeah.
These are rolls, y'all. You know what I'm so surprised about? I didn't have no type of reactions or nothing to them nuggets from yesterday.
Really?
None at all. I was like, wow. I can taste the Asian in this chicken.
There shouldn't be no Asian in it.
Asians are making this.
But before that Asian dude took over, because you know I had to reinvestigate.
Oh, you did? Well, you know what? This tastes like they might have fried it in some fish grease. That's what that is.
That they probably did, if they sell fish. It was a white guy who started it. And then when he...
From Louisiana?
I don't think he was from Louisiana, but he, made a bunch of trips to New Orleans to get his recipe right.
Oh, really?
But when he retired or whatever, he passed it down to him.
What? And who was it that he passed it down to?
I don't know. His best worker? I don't know. What do you think, man? You ain't had a son or a daughter or nobody? A nephew?
Really? Maybe he didn't get along with his family. You never know.
That's pretty good, but it ain't better than Popeyes.
No, it's not better than Popeyes. It's good. It has a nice flavor. This is the best chicken I've tasted from, a place other than, Church's, Popeyes, and.
Mm-hmm.
It actually has flavor. I didn't think it would have any flavor.
Best part.
I would say this is the best part.
I mean, that's good.
Them fries. Them fries don't even look right.
They got a little Cajun seasoning on them.
Yeah, y'all. Your girl been gone all day. I've been getting like home decor stuff. Still haven't even got stuff out the car yet. So, we got some stuff to get out the car after this video. But I bought Jaden some shoes.
No. What did you get?
I'll show you. They're so cute. Oh, you're gonna love them.
I'm gonna love them?
Yeah. Cause I was thinking, I was like, first of all, the shoes she got right now, it's too small. They're 2.5. They're just too small.
But they not. I mean, I just bought them shoes.
Yeah, I know you just bought them, but you bought them too small, buddy, bro.
They're not too small. He's not gonna stop wearing them. I just bought them.
Face to face.
He's not gonna stop wearing them.
I ain't saying he wasn't gonna stop wearing them, but he won't be wearing them when he wears the shoes I bought him.
What kind you got?
Can you wait?
Probably some no-name something you can pick up.
Why would I?
Because you love to do that.
I got him
These
some
was
shoes.
cute. They was just $7.
You know what? I got him some shoes from the mall. Thank you.
Okay, some real shoes. All right.
Just because they're cheap don't mean that they're not real. Men probably think differently. Like,
Ooh. No, like cheap shoes, you get what you pay for.
yeah, sometimes.
That's like them boots you got on. How you sliding around, they don't have no grip.
Let me show you. First of all,
They
they don't
have
have a
tennis shoes
grip
like that
because
for little
these
kids
are
and
house
stuff.
shoes. I just realized it today when I was out
There are
walking
tennis
in them.
shoes with that type of bottom. It's like a fake rubber or whatever it is. It have threads in it and it slides.
Well,
That's what they put on these chips, on this cheap stuff.
these boots I got from Fowler's was $9.99 and they have a nice grip at the bottom. Y'all,
Really?
they are so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I showed them on the vlog, so make sure y'all follow my family vlog. Like, there's some boots I've been wanting for a long time.
Really?
Destiny got some. She got hers from Target. She got hers for $30. Mine's was $9.99.
Get it. I hope they last.
You only have 2 pairs left. No, these are real boots, like real.
Hope they don't fall apart on your way to the Beyonce concert.
Yeah. Did I tell y'all about my shoes falling apart when I went to go see Beyonce? I was walking and one heel came off and then I walked a couple more steps and the other heel came off and this couple in back of me seen it. I was so embarrassed. I was like, you saw that girl? And she just started laughing.
So wait a minute, they had heels and then you came out of the heels so you were just walking flat-footed in the same boots?
It was just the little heel that came off at the bottom of the shoe. It still had the actual sole and the straps attached. Y'all, I don't know what all y'all missed, but I was I was saying how my shoes barely made it through the night because the straps were barely attached, and y'all, it was just a trip. But I danced all night long in daggone sandals and didn't even care. Yeah, I knew this wasn't gonna be better than Popeyes. But look, you see the seasoning?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you come.
You just want to get under the table. He wants to get under the table.
The beans and rice though.
Now they know that they slice these daggone sausages too thin. Have you ever seen somebody slice them that day? That's too selfish.
Hey man, gotta make a stretch.
God, I love these rolls.
Yeah.
Jaden turned the light off. I don't know how.
He can't unplug. Is it that serious? It don't even look no better. I mean, no worse.
Is there any more? You got the rolls over there.
Yeah, you need another one?
Yeah, I want some more. That's one of the best things on the plate.
You got a whole one sitting right now.
I know, just want another one just for cushion. Look at Jaden smelling the beans.
You want them beans better?
Did you even taste them yet?
Yeah. That's like they got Old Bay seasoning. That is for seafood, okay? Chill out.
Taste them.
Need to cut that out.
I knew it when you was twirling them up.
Well, you can tell by looking at
I was
them.
like, nah.
Yeah, I was apprehensive. You might like them.
They smell like God, they smell like something familiar.
Old Bay.
Is that what that
I
is?
think so. Taste it. Ain't that what that is? I don't like the
That's
taste.
time.
Like, yeah, is that what it is?
This stuff is not supposed to be in beans.
Yeah.
Them beans is not the hit.
They missed the mark on that. Hey, you like
Oh my God, Leia! Oh my God, come here. Come show them real quick. You look adorable. Leia, I swear, if I can get you in a photo shoot like that, I swear. That would be so cute. I love when she have her hair like that. Yeah, she got like a blowout. She took it. Oh my God, I just realized that she took all her braids out.
Mm-hmm.
I know she happy.
That's what you been in there doing. Be all quiet. We thought you was sleeping. You missed your braids?
You must miss them.
My bad.
Aren't you glad to have your hair back?
Sensitive teenager alert.
Yes, but Daddy wish I didn't take him out right. Yes, you do.
Whatever make you happy, baby.
Yes, you do.
It ain't that serious to me. It's not my hair.
I'm glad you took them out.
Me too.
It was time, actually. Because now, then, I like, lately I've been able to see, like, where your hair is coming out of the braids. But it still looks good, though, honestly. But that picture you took for your Instagram, your last picture, was gorgeous. Did you use a filter on there or something?
No, it was lighting.
That's what lighting can do for you? Wow.
She be working that sunlight over there.
You should see that picture. It looks like a professional picture.
Yeah, I seen a few of them that she took that look like that.
I was like, what?
See, you haven't even seen the picture.
Maybe not that one, but I seen some of the pictures. Like the picture you got on your YouTube where you got like the shadow coming across your face from the blinds or something.
And she know what she be doing too.
No, I don't. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yummy, yummy for my tummy. Yummy. You know the people I had called out. Some of the people I had called out had already did the challenge. Most of the people I called out did the challenge already. I didn't know. I didn't go and check.
You should have checked, bro.
I know I should have, but I was trying to get the daggone challenge done. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Whoa.
I'm
That's
really
a good
digging.
crust.
I'm really digging
tasty
the
crust.
tastiness of this chicken.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, they definitely fried this in some fish grease because I can taste it.
Which is a no-no in the frying world. You don't do that.
You don't want the chicken tasting like fish,
Exactly.
you know? Even though it's still good, I can taste that fish. Here comes the big loud train. I even found Jaden, they had one friggin' twin blanket. One. It was SpongeBob.
You don't even need a blanket.
Yes, he does.
He like Thomas. He got a Thomas blanket.
That is not a Thomas blanket.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
And I got him a Superman, I think, picture. It was really cute. And I got him a blue rug. It's a big one. But it's nice and he's gonna love it.
You don't put a rug on carpet, bro.
You can too. I got one for under here too. Guess how much it was? Guess.
30?
Nope. I got from Phallus.
Oh, $8.99?
I got it for $16.99. Perfect. Alright, it's long and everything.
And why we need a rug for under here?
Echo, remember?
How big is it?
To help with the echo.
It had to be bigger than just to fit under the table. It needs to cover all of this. Like, it ain't gonna help nothing to have a rug right underneath this table.
Well,
all it's
we'll
gonna do is
see.
catch the crumbs and make it impossible to sweep it. Like, seriously.
We just vacuum it, but we'll see. We'll see. That's a big old... First of all, if I need a rug that doggone big, those rugs are like $300, $500.
We do better, like, you know, catching somebody who just got carpet put in their house or something. All right, hey, y'all want to use this old carpet or what?
What? He's
Like,
kidding y'all.
just the sound, you know, just to knock the sound out. And like roll it up and unroll it.
Well, I was getting dizzy because I was so damn hungry when I was out. Yeah, I don't even want to taste that. You want to taste it?
No.
I'm going to taste it, though. For video's sake.
Only person jambalaya I eat is my great grandmother, and she ain't here no more, so I don't eat it.
They ought to be ashamed. These onions ain't even
cooked.
Where's the juicy part? Like, isn't it supposed to be moist?
They made that jambalaya fried rice style.
Are you serious?
Now, my grandmother jambalaya was always dry.
Them onions are still, no. Absolutely not.
Dry, but in a good way. She used to make black eyed pea jambalaya. It was so good.
Even the jambalaya in the box is dry.
Yeah, it's a dry recipe, whatever. That's how it be.
I don't taste no Louisiana in there.
Them jokers think all you gotta do is shake some old band on something.
Some old bay. Or some Tony Sassaries. Oh, you could probably get away with doing Tony Sassaries. Give me a kiss, you cutie. I love you. I love you. He is so funny. Look at Jake. Picking in and out. Yeah, I meant to change my clothes and my wig. Sorry, couldn't.
Eat some fries, buddy.
Just got home. Oh, y'all, and rest in peace to Kim Porter. Like, oh my God. I want to send my condolences to all of her family. Just like, can you imagine how those little twin girls feel? Like,
Everybody.
just all her
Your mama
kids,
just up and
period.
down with her.
Just, I wonder if she knew, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you
I don't
know?
know.
Did she know that she might be, like, something might be happening?
Probably not. Nobody expected that that young unless you got like cancer or something. That's messed up.
So messed up. And y'all keep your what's else? Why did I just have a brain fart? Keep Fit Angie and her family in your prayers, y'all. She's going through some stuff. Y'all know she's one of my loyal Yummy Biters. She's been around. Oh my.
Big head boy.
God, they roll good.
This is like some real good school chicken and roll. Huh? It's like some good school chicken.
I wouldn't call it school chicken.
Y'all didn't have
School
good fried chicken?
Of course not. Only people
Okay,
in Louisiana
yeah,
had
I'm
good
from
fried
Louisiana. We had
chicken
good fried chicken.
at school.
It was good for school chicken, you know. That's the only day I would eat. Thursdays we had fried chicken and chocolate milk. The only day of the week we would get chocolate milk. Every other day,
Are you kidding
all
me?
we had was white milk. And I don't
We
drink
had
white
a
milk.
choice between chocolate milk and white milk every day.
Only on Thursdays.
And you would never see anybody with white milk. Ever. That chocolate milk was so good. I remember opening up the daggone carton about that big.
Yeah, so small with no more to
And
swallow.
you would, exactly, you couldn't like drink something and put it, like
You
you
had to
would
take a
just drink
sip
the
of it.
whole thing. No, I would drink the whole thing. By that time, you'd be so freaking thirsty.
Oh, wait a minute. But first, what about the bag of milk? Y'all didn't have the bags, the plastic bag?
No, why would
Before
you
we
have
had
bags?
the cartons, we used to have plastic bags of milk.
No, never.
Yeah.
That's
Just a
disgusting.
plastic bag.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's weird. We used to have these things called A-leaf cookies. Y'all, they long gone. But A-leaf cookies, when I tell y'all, they could have made a business. You know, a business outside of A-leaf. You know what I'm saying? Out of them daggone cookies. Let me know in the comments if you're from A-leaf from back in the early 90s. If you remember A-leaf cookies because they were at every school.
That's good.
They were at every school in A-leaf. And I don't know if we named them A-leaf cookies or were they just named A-leaf cookies. But y'all, oh my God, them chocolate chip cookies was everything. You would get 2 in a little bag, like those little fry bags for French fries. You would get 2 for 30 cents.
Wow. Y'all had those every day?
Oh my
had
God,
to make-
every
we didn't have
single
options and
day.
choices.
I always made sure I had money for cookies. But I didn't have money for nothing else.
Either you eat what they serving or you don't eat nothing. There was no other line. Or actually, when I was almost about to graduate, then they started having a everyday hamburger line.
What?
The school hamburgers, where you could get every day there was burgers in a certain line,
Really?
which they were gross. Now at school, I hear they got McDonald's and pizza and
Oh yeah.
all kind of stuff.
Yeah, so when I was they had started getting all of that stuff. Like we had got a Taco Bell, but only certain kids could buy it. I remember that. I don't think
Yeah, the ones
freshmen
who had
could have
money.
it. No.
Because that's so expensive. They wouldn't even allow everybody to buy it, even if you had
I
money.
don't believe so. I don't.
No, it was just the broke
I don't
kids
believe
couldn't
so.
get none. It was just the broke.
No,
kids
I don't
couldn't
think freshmen could buy Taco Bell, and I think it was just Taco Bell we had back then.
That's discrimination right there.
Well, when you call freshmen fishes and fresh fish, that's discrimination, I think.
It is. But that come from the students. I wouldn't expect the school to be, you know what I'm saying, displaying that type of activity as well.
Yeah. Shut up. T.I. That's T.I. over there. You so cute. I love that little smile. Yeah, I'm full. You didn't eat all your chicken off if you're balanced,
Girl,
Bill.
please, let's go close enough. You didn't eat all your chicken.
All in beans and rice.
Yeah, they wasted that. They to cut that out. All you need to tell is chicken and bread, bro.
And that jambalaya, Lord.
But if you don't know no better, you probably will like it. It might have a good flavor on it. You ain't even tasted it.
Yeah, I tasted it.
Oh.
I couldn't get past the raw onions.
It smells like it's spicy or something. Like it got a strong flavor, whatever it is. Yeah, I pass.
I like these okras. They're not better than churches, but I do like them. You need to eat
That's
some
the best
okra.
part. Why you making this groove up?
Really?
Boy, you silly.
Anyway, so how would you rate the food?
I don't like rating people every day. You know, it's definitely. I'm glad I tried it. I would rather Popeyes. It's not better than Popeyes.
Now we got to taste or try. What is it? Crispies or what was it called?
Yeah, somebody say it ain't the chicken ain't even that good. It's just the biscuits that people be raving about.
Oh, okay. Well, I dare somebody to top Popeyes and Frenchies. Like, it ain't happened yet. Okay?
Who was that we was eating? I was loving their red beans and rice not long ago. It wasn't Popeyes. It was
We
somebody
eat so
else.
much stuff. It's a shame. I don't even
Somebody's
know.
red beans.
I know what you're talking about.
I couldn't believe how good they was.
Oh my God, that's weird. What was it?
I have no idea.
I
don't even know if we was eating fried chicken or not.
What was we eating there? If we was eating beans and rice,
I have no
it
idea.
had to be fried chicken.
Just definitely worth a try. I got a nice spice in the crust of the chicken. I liked it. You know.
Yeah, I think the chicken was good. These fries is bunk. This jambalaya is bunk. The chicken and the rolls and these.
Yeah, the roll's nice and fresh. Love it.
Yeah, but them come out of a package, so you know what I'm saying.
But they're still fresh though. They super sour.
Yeah.
It tastes just like homemade light bread.
What's light bread?
This.
I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed my food. But if you enjoyed this video, please do what? Thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos. All right? And we'll see you guys on tomorrow. Peace.
Y'all be sure to come back now.
You hear? Bye, y'all.
Yummy, yummy bites.